How to make this text effect using Canva.
At first, we'll go to create a design or custom size. I will choose 1920 by 1080, and then Canva will open a blank canvas, and then I will input the photo. Here you can see the photo. Okay, I will remove the background using BG remover. That's it. You can see the main subject. Okay, right. Now I will add a text. I will add a heading. Let banana, right. I will change the font to Onton, and it is a tall font. I will increase the letter space. That's it. I'll make a little smaller. That's it. Here you can see. Then I will duplicate the text and I will keep it here. I will send this first text to the back side of the banana. I will go to position. I will send it to back. Right. Here you can see it's moved to back. And now what you can see is you can add this text over it. So now I will select the upper text and I will go to effect. I will choose this hollow effect and I will reduce the thickness. That's it. If you want, you can change the background to this chocolate color, and you can change the font color to yellow or white. Okay, so it's almost done. I will duplicate this image and I will do a little effect gain. Okay, here you can see this is almost done. So this is how you can use Canva to do this kind of text effect.